What is up? It's Anna here from Hype Dance, Kelowna, Canada. Today I am making a video on how to improve your confidence in dancing. Over the past few years, I have taught over 400 classes, which is absolutely crazy, but I'm pulling these 5 tips from my experience in these beginner adult classes. So let's get into it. All right, tip number 1. Stop comparing yourself to other people, to other dancers. There are millions of dance videos out there on like every social media platform you can think of, and it's very, very easy to watch these dancers and compare yourself to them. Stop it. That does nothing but harm your self-esteem. You need to remember that everybody's dance journey is different. So that person that you're watching may have 10 plus years of experience more than you have. It does not mean that you are not good enough. You are good enough. Their journey is just maybe a little bit further ahead than yours is. It doesn't matter. That means nothing, right? They could be in the studio every single night with private classes and, you know, the best instructors in the world. Their journey might be completely different to yours, okay? You are where you are. Everybody starts somewhere, and that is okay. So stop the comparison because it does not help at all. That really is going to ruin your confidence, okay? Just remember, everybody's path is different. Yeah, there's awesome dancers out there. You can be awesome too. You'll get there. Don't worry about it, okay? Don't let that affect your confidence. Tip number 2. When you are stepping onto that dance floor, you're in a class or whatever the situation may be, try and focus on yourself and the music and nothing else. The point of this is to try and disconnect from the distractions. If you can get into the habit of doing this, your performance and your confidence is just gonna go through the roof. It's gonna skyrocket, okay? Whether you have a camera in your face, whether you have 100 other people watching you at that time, you're gonna try and get in the habit of focusing on your body, on your movement, whether you're staring at yourself in the mirror while you dance, you're going to be listening to that music. If you don't listen to the music and you're constantly getting distracted, you've lost it, okay? The whole point of dancing is having that movement, that body connecting to the music. So 2 most important things, yourself, the music, you're in your own little zone. That is super important. The more you get into the habit of doing this, trying to disconnect from those distractions, the easier it will be to work on you, which will then allow you to have more confidence in your dancing. Tip number 3. Okay, so every dancer, no matter how famous or how beginner, have insecurities pop into their mind. That is completely natural. So whether it's before a class, during a performance, or even in a club, commit to what you are doing. Commit to it. Don't be ashamed of what you're doing. Don't feel embarrassed. Maybe you're like, I've never done this move before. As soon as you start to allow yourself to feel embarrassed or ashamed of the way you're moving, it's downhill from there. You need to own it. Commit to what you are doing. There is nothing to be ashamed of, okay? Everybody starts somewhere. Commit and power through. Don't get flustered. It's easier said than done, but it's a habit. Again, a habit that we need to start settling into. Commitment, allowing it to be whatever it is. There is a huge stigma of being ashamed when you're not the best dancer or whatever. There's a huge stigma. Feeling embarrassed doesn't matter. Don't feel embarrassed. You're growing your mindset. You're training your body to do something new. So a little tip to help with your commitment is using positive affirmations. So instead of listening to that little voice in your head that's going, oh my gosh, you suck, you can't do this, whatever it's saying, okay, forget it. You're going to override your brain. You're going to be like, I'm going to nail this. I know this choreography. I can perform this. Whatever it is you need to tell yourself, okay? Fake it till you make it and commit. That is going to make sure everybody else thinks you have confidence. Maybe you're still working on that. Maybe you're building it up secretly, but we're not going to let anybody know that. By committing to what we're doing and telling ourselves that we're doing awesome, everybody instantly says, they got confidence. Period. Step number 4. So this one, it's a little bit of a weird one, a fun one. I do this quite often if I'm performing. I will think of my idol in the dance world or somebody that I really look up to or watch their videos and I'm like, wow, like they are awesome. I'll picture that person, and when I get up to dance, in my head I'm going to imagine that I am them. I am them performing this routine. And believe it or not, it kind of helps. Like, it works. Just all of a sudden, this like burst of confidence comes in. It just kicks in. You're like, whoa. And you just start dancing and you really start feeling it, and you just have to make yourself believe. You're like, I am this person, and just get it. I know it's a weird one, but if nothing else, act like your idol. Find that person that you really think nails every routine, and when you get up to perform, in your head, switch it over and think, I am this person. And then get to dancing. You're gonna kill it, trust me. Tip number 5. So this one, again, is a little bit of a, not such a big deal, but it does help in confidence, especially for me, I find, is dressing the part. So again, you watch all these dance videos on your social media platforms and they all have the perfect outfit. It just makes their dancing look so nice. Whether it's a lyrical piece and they just have like this beautiful kind of outfit on, or it's a hip hop piece and they just look so cool. They got those baggy shirts, baggy sweatpants. That's gonna help you feel like you're fitting into the genre you're dancing. If I turn up to a hip hop class and I am wearing very tight clothing, I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel confident. If I turn up to that same dance class and I'm in a baggy t-shirt, baggy sweats, maybe I have a hat on, I instantly feel a little bit more cool, a little bit more confident. So it is a small thing, but it does really help. So if you can, try and plan your outfits before you go to a dance class, before you do your performance. Try and plan it knowing the style that you're dancing. And yeah, that is my final tip. That's tip number 5. That's a good one. I like that one. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We are going to do a couple more videos like this, so if you have any requests, get into the comments. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. We're super excited to start pumping out more of this stuff. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, my friends. Bye!